If you have been feeling weaker, more tired, or just not quite like yourself lately, stay with me. The answer might not be in your medicine cabinet. It might be in your morning routine. Let me start by sharing something that might surprise you. After the age of 50, every single one of us begins losing muscle mass at a rate of about 1 to 2% every year. Now, I know that might sound alarming, but stay with me because understanding this is the first step to doing something about it. Think about it this way. If you're 55 today, by the time you're 65, you could have lost up to 20% of your muscle mass if you do nothing about it. And this isn't just about looking different in the mirror. This muscle loss affects everything from how easily you can climb stairs to how well you can balance yourself, how quickly you recover from illness, and even how efficiently your body burns calories. Science shows that after 60, muscle protein synthesis slows, meaning your body struggles to repair muscles without enough protein and nutrients. Foods rich in amino acids, omega-3s, and antioxidants can boost muscle repair and reduce inflammation, a key driver of sarcopenia. Our 5 superfoods deliver these in spades, and they're easy to add to your breakfast. Each chapter will break down the science, share tips, and inspire you to eat smarter. Ready to fight the hidden danger of muscle loss? Let's dive into Greek yogurt first. Chapter 1. Greek yogurt. When most people think of yogurt, they picture a simple breakfast or snack. But for seniors, Greek yogurt is far more than just a creamy treat. It is a scientifically proven powerhouse of nutrition that can directly strengthen muscles, protect joints, and even support digestion. Think of it as one of nature's most concentrated packages of essential nutrients, designed almost perfectly for aging bodies. First, let's look at protein, the nutrient that is absolutely critical after age 60. As we get older, our bodies lose muscle faster, a condition known as sarcopenia. Every spoonful of Greek yogurt gives you a dense dose of high-quality complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. Unlike many other protein sources, the protein in Greek yogurt is easy to digest and quick to absorb, which means your muscles get the building blocks they need almost immediately after eating. But Greek yogurt isn't just about protein. It is also an excellent source of calcium and phosphorus, 2 minerals essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Seniors face a greater risk of fractures, especially in hips and wrists, and calcium-rich foods like Greek yogurt act as a shield. Combined with vitamin D, often added to fortified yogurts, calcium becomes even more effective in keeping your skeletal system resilient. Another hidden benefit of Greek yogurt is its probiotics, live beneficial bacteria that keep your gut healthy. You might be surprised, but a balanced gut microbiome does more than support digestion. Research shows that gut health is directly connected to inflammation control, immune strength, and even mood. Since inflammation is one of the main culprits behind joint pain and stiffness, probiotics indirectly protect your joints by calming hidden inflammation inside the body. And let's not forget potassium and magnesium. These minerals, also abundant in Greek yogurt, play a critical role in maintaining proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Seniors who struggle with leg cramps or restless legs at night often find relief when they increase their intake of these key electrolytes. One more fascinating fact: Greek yogurt has a naturally lower lactose content compared to regular yogurt, which means even those who are mildly lactose intolerant can often enjoy it without discomfort. This makes it accessible to a wide range of seniors who may have had to avoid dairy in the past. For maximum benefits, enjoy Greek yogurt as part of breakfast or as a post-exercise snack. You can pair it with fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey to create a nutrient-packed bowl that covers protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and natural sweetness all in one. So, the next time you lift a spoonful of this creamy delight, remember, it's not just a snack. It's a muscle-building, bone-strengthening, joint-protecting superfood that supports your health with every bite. Chapter 2. Walnuts and Almonds. Let's start with walnuts. Often called brain food, because of their shape and their powerful omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts don't just help memory and focus, they also fight inflammation. That's important because joint stiffness, swollen knees, and aching hands are all fueled by silent inflammation. Eating just a handful of walnuts a day is like sending in tiny firefighters to calm down those flames inside your body. And remember, calmer joints mean more freedom. Freedom to walk, garden, dance, or play with your grandchildren without wincing in pain. Now let's look at almonds, those smooth little gems. Packed with protein, vitamin E, calcium, and magnesium, almonds are like muscle building blocks. Protein helps rebuild muscle fibers, which naturally shrink with age. Magnesium works to relax tight muscles and support nerve function. And vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, protects your cells from the rusting effects of time. Together, almonds act as your daily dose of renewal, giving you both strength and resilience. But here's the hidden secret. Walnuts and almonds also support bone health. Seniors often worry about osteoporosis, brittle bones that break too easily. Thanks to their calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats, these nuts actually help your bones stay dense and strong, reducing the risk of fractures. Imagine feeling confident on your feet again, without the constant fear of falling. How can you enjoy them? The beauty of walnuts and almonds is their simplicity. Sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal or yogurt, carry a small bag as a healthy snack, or chop them into a salad for extra crunch. They're easy to add to your daily routine, and unlike processed snacks, they keep your energy steady instead of crashing. Here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, instead of reaching for cookies or toast, grab a small handful of walnuts and almonds. Notice how your energy feels different, steady, clear, and calm. Then ask yourself, if such a small change makes me feel this good, what will happen if I do it every day? Your health is like a bank account. Every handful of walnuts and almonds is a deposit of strength, stability, and vitality. Over time, those deposits grow into a healthier, freer, more independent future. Chapter 3: Chia Seeds. Now, let's talk about something that looks so small you might almost laugh at the idea that it could change your health. Chia seeds. These little black or white specks might remind you of bird feed, but don't be fooled. Chia seeds are what I like to call a hidden powerhouse, a food so rich in nutrients that it punches far above its weight. Here's the truth. As we age, one of the biggest battles our bodies face is the slow loss of muscle, bone density, and joint flexibility. Many people think you can only get support from big meals, heavy protein, or supplements, but sometimes, it's the tiny additions to your diet that quietly do the most work. Chia seeds are one of those magical additions. Why are chia seeds so special for seniors? First, they are absolutely packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, the same healthy fats you often hear about in fish like salmon. These fats are essential for reducing inflammation, and if you've been living with stiff knees, achy hips, or sore shoulders, you know just how important reducing inflammation is. Omega-3s act like natural lubricants for your joints, making movement easier and less painful. Second, chia seeds are loaded with fiber. Now, you might think, fiber? That's just for digestion, right? Well, yes, but it's more than that. Fiber keeps your blood sugar steady, prevents sudden energy crashes, and helps you feel full longer. That means chia seeds can help you manage your weight without leaving you hungry, a vital tool for seniors who want to avoid obesity-related problems like diabetes and heart disease. Third, chia seeds are a surprising source of plant-based protein. Every tablespoon gives you a small but mighty boost of amino acids, the building blocks your body uses to rebuild and maintain muscle. Imagine this. Each time you sprinkle chia seeds on your yogurt or stir them into a glass of water, you're sending reinforcements to your muscles, helping them stay strong and resilient. How can you use chia seeds? One of the easiest ways is to make a simple chia pudding. Just soak a couple of spoonfuls of chia seeds in milk, almond milk, or even water, and let them expand overnight. By morning, you'll have a creamy, satisfying dish that you can sweeten with honey or top with fruit. You can also add chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or even sprinkle them over salads for a crunchy boost. And here's something fascinating. When chia seeds absorb water, they form a gel-like coating. This not only makes them soothing for your digestive system, but it also means they keep you hydrated longer. Think of them as tiny water balloons that slowly release moisture into your body throughout the day. Always drink enough water with chia seeds. Because they absorb liquid, they work best when you're well hydrated. So, don't underestimate these tiny seeds. In their small size lies a giant secret: strength, protection, and energy for your golden years. If you haven't tried chia seeds yet, maybe now is the perfect time to start. Sprinkle them, soak them, or blend them, but most importantly, let them become part of your journey to healthier muscles and joints. Chapter 4: Honey. When you think of honey, perhaps the first image that comes to mind is a jar of golden sweetness sitting in your kitchen, ready to drizzle on toast or stir into tea. But what if I told you that honey is far more than a simple sweetener? For seniors, this golden nectar can be a gentle but powerful ally in rebuilding strength, soothing joints, and supporting overall vitality. Honey has been treasured for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used it as medicine, the Greeks called it the food of the gods, and even today, science continues to uncover the hidden treasures packed inside every spoonful. Unlike processed sugar, which drains your energy and harms your health, honey is full of natural compounds that nourish the body instead of depleting it. One of honey's most remarkable qualities is its anti-inflammatory power. As we age, our joints often become stiff, swollen, or painful, signs that inflammation is quietly damaging the tissues. Honey contains antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenol, which act like tiny firefighters inside the body, calming the flames of inflammation and protecting joint health. For seniors who struggle with arthritis or daily aches, adding honey to the diet may bring gentle, natural relief. But honey's benefits don't stop there. This golden liquid is also a quick, natural source of energy. Unlike refined sugar that spikes and crashes blood sugar, honey provides a smoother release, giving seniors the stamina to enjoy walks, light exercise, or playing with the grandchildren. It helps fuel the muscles and even assists in recovery after physical activity, making it an excellent addition to a healthy routine. Another hidden gift of honey is its ability to support the immune system. As we grow older, the body's defenses sometimes weaken, making colds, flu, and infections more common. Honey contains natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that act as a shield, strengthening the body's ability to fight off illness. A spoonful in warm tea not only comforts the throat, but also helps the immune system stand tall. Now, here's an important tip. Not all honey is created equal. To enjoy its full benefits, always choose raw, unprocessed honey. Unlike supermarket honey that's often heated and filtered, raw honey preserves the enzymes, nutrients, and healing compounds that truly make it medicine for the body. Each morning, you stir a spoonful of raw honey into warm water, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon. As you sip, you're not just enjoying sweetness, you're feeding your muscles, protecting your joints, and giving your immune system a natural boost. It's a small act with profound effects, a way of telling your body, I care for you, I choose health, I choose strength. So, the next time you reach for something sweet, skip the processed sugar. Instead, let honey be your golden friend, a delicious, healing nectar that nourishes both body and spirit. Chapter 5. Banana. Bananas are more than just a convenient snack. They are what I like to call a muscle-saving, joint-soothing health stick. Their soft texture makes them easy to chew and swallow, and their sweet taste feels like a natural treat, but inside that yellow peel is a treasure chest of nutrients designed to keep seniors strong, energized, and steady. One of the biggest benefits of bananas is their potassium content. Potassium is like a traffic controller for your muscles. It helps regulate muscle contractions and prevents painful cramps. If you've ever had a leg cramp in the middle of the night, you know how suddenly painful and disruptive they can be. A single medium banana carries about 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, helping balance electrolytes in your body so your muscles stay calm and your heart beats smoothly. But potassium isn't the only star here. Bananas are also rich in vitamin B6, a nutrient that supports your nervous system and helps your body convert food into usable energy. For seniors, this means less fatigue, more focus, and better endurance during daily activities. Whether you're gardening, walking with friends, or simply climbing the stairs, bananas provide fuel that your body can easily absorb. Another secret power of bananas is their fiber content. As we age, digestion often slows down, leading to discomfort, bloating, or irregularity. The soluble fiber in bananas acts like a gentle broom, sweeping your digestive tract clean while feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut. A happy gut means better absorption of nutrients, stronger immunity, and a lighter, more comfortable feeling throughout the day. And let's not forget about joint health. Bananas contain small but important amounts of magnesium and vitamin C. Magnesium helps relax stiff muscles and supports bone density, while vitamin C plays a role in collagen production, the protein that cushions your joints. Think of it this way, every time you peel a banana, you're peeling back stiffness, aches, and the rust of aging. The beauty of bananas lies in their simplicity. No cooking, no preparation, no complicated recipes. Just peel and enjoy. Yet they can also be easily combined with other senior-friendly foods. Blend one into Greek yogurt for a protein-rich breakfast, slice it over oatmeal with chia seeds for long-lasting energy, or drizzle a little honey and sprinkle walnuts for a heart-healthy dessert. So the next time you see a banana on your counter, don't just think of it as a fruit. Think of it as nature's daily muscle tonic, soft on the stomach, sweet on the taste buds, and powerful for your joints and energy. Aging may bring its challenges, but it does not mean surrendering your vitality. In fact, these simple foods are like gentle allies, working quietly inside your body. They rebuild your muscles, support your joints, and keep your heart steady. They also lift your mood, sharpen your mind, and give you the stamina to do what you love, whether it's gardening, walking, dancing, or simply playing with your grandchildren. So here's my encouragement. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. Add these foods to your daily meals, enjoy them with gratitude, and notice the difference. And when you do, come back and share your experience. Your story could inspire someone else to begin their journey. Remember, true strength grows one bite, one choice, one day at a time.